Hey guys, what happened? Had to create custom vibration alerts for contacts. So go ahead and select, go ahead and open up your contacts. Let me try to pin it down. Yeah, let me type contacts right here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and select the contact. Let's say for example, Amazon, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit edit at the top right. Scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find ringtone and text tone. You can go ahead to the ringtone and select a different alert or different vibration, and then hit done. And same goes for text tone. Okay, you can select a different text tone, and basically you're gonna be able to change the vibration and notification. So that's another comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next time.